Today we will be doing the Charleston. The Charleston is a whole genre of dance with many steps, but this is the signature move. Here's what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feel free to do whatever feels natural with your arms during this step. Let's get started. Let's incorporate Charleston footwork with crazy legs. First, let's do the Charleston footwork. Right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. Now, let's review crazy legs. Turn in, out, out. For this combo, we are going to lift one of our feet every time we turn in and set it down as we turn out. Try that with me. In, out, out. Good. Now we do that with the Charleston footwork. Remember, right, left, left, right. Now put them together. Right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. Again, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. Awesome. Let's do that at half speed with music. And let your arms do what feels natural. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. I know this step is challenging, so keep practicing, and once you have it down, you can do it at full speed. Challenge yourself, and let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you know the Charleston. Awesome job!